Hey, that's Mike and Holly, Alex, Eddie, and Chelsea.
Guys, welcome back to another morning routine. I know we have done a lot, but oh well. This time I have Eddie with me. Hi. Oh, my sweetie. Now, Mom usually cooks my food because I can't reach. Guys, I am going to make a big surprise for Mom. That's what I'm doing. I'm washing the dishes. She's pretty sweet. Be so happy. That was a long time. Oh, I almost forgot to put this away.
All right, on our way to the store. Someone is looking fly. You look pretty awesome. She's got her fully stocked purse. She's like, I've got mints, I've got a lollipop. What would you settle on? Settled on the lollipop? Got her cell phone in there and her puppy. We're going to Walmart. So normally our day has, our Monday has music class and Michael goes to the grocery store, but music class was canceled for today and I had some things that I need to get from Walmart, so we're tagging along.
Alex isn't feeling
Yeah, and we're tagging along with Daddy. Alex doesn't feel so great, so she's home resting. And you look fabulous in those shades, girlfriend. Woo, looking good. They have an Easter aisle already. Oh, I like this unicorn bucket. They have lots of unicorn stuff. Huh? Look at the baskets. I had one like this when I was a kid, only it was probably white or pink. Really cute. Oh, I like those baskets. Those are pretty. Lots of chicks and eggs and peeps and decorations. Look at that huge poppy basket. Oh my gosh, that's hysterical. And they've got all the decorating kits. We'll be doing that soon. No candy yet. That might be over in the food section. Chelsea's found a unicorn pony. Does it make noise? I don't think it does. Oh, there you go. And she's off. Chelsea found a soft spirit. Oh, it is so soft. It's flocked. Feels like a real horse, doesn't it?
I really want that one, but I already have a spirit horse.
Oh man.
But it's not soft.
Yeah, it's hard when they come out with new cool things, right? Do you see what it is? It's an animal rescue Jeep for like your American Girl dolls. Oh my gosh. Jeep Wrangler animal rescue. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. You could probably haul your trailer with that. Doing a little grocery haul since I'm actually home. For tonight, pepper steak.
Pepper steak.
Which I gotta start cutting that up because it takes forever. Bok bok chicken.
Carrots. Chelsea wanted raspberries.
Oh, she did she?
Deli lunch meats.
Nice.
Mac and cheese.
Oh, that's a big pack.
They do the orange juice already.
No.
Orange juice. Grapefruit for me.
Yum.
Pickles.
For Chelsea. Eats them every day. Sausage for Chelsea. She eats it every day.
Deli or
bakery bread.
Chelsea will eat most of that. She has like 2 thick slices of that bread every day. She'll eat like the whole thing. My granola bars.
I didn't have a big box, so
Oh.
I buy 2 of the small boxes.
Oh, those are my favorite. I don't eat chips very often, but those are like my favorite. They're so good. This is also a family favorite. This popcorn, we all eat it like crazy. It's
Like
so good.
The Walmart still gives me a popcorn stomachache.
Oh, really?
This brand doesn't.
Very good stuff, though. Chelsea's. Now it's chocolate Lucky Charms instead of the hot cocoa ones, the Christmas hot cocoa ones.
The only difference is the marshmallow.
Yeah, it's
One's
she
colored, one's white.
yeah, she'll like it all the same. Alex wanted Cinnamon Life. Those are Michael's Famous Amos chocolate chip and pecans. Toothpaste for Michael. Cinnamon. Ugh. And
I'm trying. I couldn't remember. Me and Chelsea were trying to figure out what toothpaste I normally get, but we couldn't figure it out. So.
I thought you got the orange.
That's not what I currently have.
Oh.
So I figure I'll try cinnamon.
Poop scoop baggies. Baggies for scooping poop for when we walk the dog. Lettuce. What's that? Potato salad.
Yeah, had a hankering for some potato salad.
Onion for dinner tonight. And pepper for dinner tonight. And strawberries for Miss Chelsea Journey.
And
Hungry Man for Daddy. And toilet. Poop stuff for us. We got poop bags for the dog, poopy paper for us. And that's it for this week. Go get it, Ed. Get the ball. Play with your sister. Oh, jeez. Chels. You're supposed to throw it down the hallway. These pillars always get in the way. We always hit the pillars.
Oh,
Thanks, Dad. Go get it. He always runs into the door. We even got a rug to stop him, and he still runs into the door. Woo! You almost fell over, girl. Okay, throw it. He didn't even know. Good boy. Chelsea's playing with her horse. You gonna go for a ride on it? She's like, oh, I'll dance with it. There you go. You gotta get closer. There you closer. Closer. My God. There you go. You gotta get really close. You gotta lead your horse. Push the button.
Oh, he's going too fast. How is he going that fast?
No, you don't have to pull him. You just push the button. Oh, it liked that. Do that again, Chels. She's petting it. Aww. How sweet. Yeah.
Can you reverse it so you don't run into the door?
Oh yeah, it does go in reverse. Do you remember how to do it? Pull it towards you all the way. Ta-da! There you go. Okay, now you have to make it go forward. Forward. All the way. There you go.